Hi guys, welcome to the Solana session. So this is the daily chart. You've seen it last week if you have seen the video. Before getting into the details, let's take a look at the disclaimer as usual. This is for education and research purpose only, not financial advice. Please consult your local licensed financial professionals. Let's begin. So we just started the new daily candle just 2 minutes ago. So basically it's very obvious declining after testing multiple times the pretty solid blue resistant line. There's a story over here that the candle was telling us to, in particular on Jan 19th here, when it reached about 295 to 96, there was very strong selling force going on. You see this very huge red candle pushing it back down to near the blue line level, and since this test there were multiple times this got tested again, but it never went above or stayed above $270. You see this on the right hand side at 270, right? So after a few failure it closed at where the blue line was, around 258. So testing again, and okay, there's nobody gonna buy at that price. That's how it happens. It dropped this week, and until the point at this level, there seems to be a little bit of support around $226. So a little bit of buying over here, but it wasn't very strong. Remember, we probably talked about a few weeks back when we first talked about these support levels. There wasn't a very solid support. So if we extend the line from the top and the bottom of these candles, where a lot of trading happened, this was where it stopped in the past 4 days, and then now it started to test another low again, or another support again. So if it is really going to try to test, it would be the red or the top of the pink box, the resistance line of the pink box. That's around $190. So that's how daily candles are telling us the story. But if you are trading on a longer time frame, if you're more a swing trader rather than a day trader, we touched on the thrust after distribution and 2 red candles consecutively after that. I do see it can turn green within the next 23 hours 55 minutes. So it may probably stay at this level where the top of last point of supply here, you see this blue tag, right? So it probably would stay above this level and see whether the next week or the coming few days would stay around here. If not, then the next level that it's going to test is 185 around. So this is extended from the secondary test happened in July last year, so pretty long ago. It's also the bottom of the last point of supply if we pick a closer date. It's near the end of December, early January. So once it dropped through this, it would probably be testing this level at around 130, 129, 130. So all the previous second tests and sign of weaknesses happening between April to September. So that's what the weekly chart is telling us, and the red volume isn't low as well compared to what happened over here. You see these two. So it's time to be cautious for Solana. If we take a look at the monthly, again, another red candlestick, and one key thing is the top is lower than the previous one. So we've seen this top, and now for these 2 months we've seen these top. So we have lower tops for the last 2 months. So that's another sign that we have to stay alert. It stayed a little bit longer compared to the last cycle. We touched on it previously. It didn't retest at this high level, and it did not have an upthrust as well. So that's the difference this time. When the market or the blockchain or crypto ecosystem is getting mature and maybe more coins are getting listed, this may change as well. So this it's a very good textbook picture with all the text happening. So let's see whether it will test these support levels in the coming weeks. So see you